guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to say welcome, and if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below so you can join my beautiful family, and also please hit the notification button so you never miss another video from me again. So guys, this video I am really excited about because I have done a Christmas living room makeover. Christmas is my all-time favorite holiday, and I enjoyed making this video for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it as well. And please let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about anything. I do my best to tell you guys throughout the video where I got stuff from, but just in case I forgot anything, don't forget to let me know, and I'll try my best to let you guys know as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to start in this corner here. This nice accent chair here is sitting right next to the fireplace area. It has that beautiful comfortable throw blanket and a pretty throw pillow that sits right there in it. Right on the side of that, I have this cabinet. I don't know if that's what these are called. It has two shelvings on the inside. Over top of it, I have a small Christmas tree. Doesn't have any lights, but it has some sparkle and some ornaments. So next to that, I will show you the fireplace itself. The fireplace is absolutely beautiful. Right now I have some fire going. I don't know if you've seen my previous living room tour video, but in that video I tell you where I got the fireplace from. So I'm going to move on to the top of the fireplace here. I kept it nice and simple, but also very pretty. Okay, so over top of the fireplace here, I have some ornaments here in a jar. I was going for that all white and gold glittery kind of look, so that is what I was trying to achieve with that. And then I have this cute little reindeer here. He is a cutie, and he's just sitting here and chilling with the lights and stuff. He has that glittery look that I was going for as well. And then right behind him, I have a candle there. And then right here, I have this flower arrangement. It kind of has the Christmas leaves and some more glitter. Kind of reminds me of a fancy mistletoe. It's just some flowers and stuff that I arranged together. And I just sat it there because it goes very well with everything else. Look how pretty that is. And behind it, I have this very fancy vase or vase. And I just put some silver and white flowers in it, you know, just to go with the white and the silver and the gold. And then over here, I have the city of New York. And behind it, the Paris Eiffel Tower. Okay guys, so I'm going to start on the other side of the living room here. I'm going to take you to my other all-time favorite part of the living room. So this is definitely my happy place. The couch is beige or like a neutral color, and I love the fact that it's a neutral color because you can add any kind of accessory, and it's so easy to switch up and change up depending on the holidays and stuff. I don't have any specific Christmas themed pillow, but I feel like everything else, you know, compensates for that. I really like the throw blankets with these fluff things on it. I don't know what they're called, but it just makes it so pretty and just inviting. I have another throw blanket. It's rose gold or pink, whatever color you'd like to call it. And it's just blankets and pillows everywhere. Perfect for the winter time because, you know, when it gets a little chilly outside, you just want something that you can, you know, make yourself comfortable in. Okay, and over top of my couch, I have my beautiful mirror up there. It's another full-length mirror, but I decided to put it on top of the couch. Those tend to open up the space a little bit, so I just put some Christmas decor on that just to tie it up with everything else. So on the top of the bookshelf, I have that grass arrangement. On the first floor, I have some books, a candle, some flowers. Second floor, I have some lights, some books. My favorite thing in the world, pineapples. The third floor, I have this little manger, guys. This is so cute. It has the Virgin Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus in the manger. So fitting for Christmas. Moving on here to the other side of the Christmas tree here, I have another accent pillow. That one doesn't have a throw blanket, but it's so pretty, and it has 2 accent pillow, and again it goes with the theme. Okay, so over here, guys, I have that tall length mirror. I feel like it opens up the living room space a little bit just because it's there, and it reflects the rest of the place and makes it just look bigger. This right here is like one of my favorite pieces because it ties everything in my living room together. It has the rose gold going, it has the whites going. So this is actually what I chose to base my entire Christmas look on. First I was going to put it in front of the door, but I was like, this is too pretty. I wanted it to be part of the design, so I brought it inside, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna put that right over top of the mirror, and that is the perfect spot for it. Right in front of that mirror, I have the most beautiful accent chair with such pretty throw pillows and a throw cover. It sits right in front of the mirror and in front of the window and next to the Christmas tree, which I'll be showing you guys in a minute. But that again just ties into everything. The color of the throw cover, the fluffs on it, the 2 accent pillows. I believe I got this silver and white one from Marshall's, and I got the one behind it from Marshall's as well. So that in itself is a statement piece. And last but not least, the beautiful Christmas tree. I decided to go with a white Christmas tree this year just because I'm into kind of like the white, off-white colors and stuff, so I didn't want to do a green Christmas tree. And honestly, it brightens the place up and it makes the place look so much bigger, which is the goal. When you live in a smaller square footage area, like an apartment for example, the best thing you can do is to maximize the space by selecting lighter color furnitures instead of something darker, because it just makes the place look more closed in and cluttered. And the reason the lighting is different in some of the clips here is because I decided to film the video at night and during the day, just so you can get a better appreciation for what the tree looks like. The tree doesn't really look as pretty when it's light outside. You only get to really see the beauty of it when it's nighttime like this. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the apartment tour, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and it lets me know that I'm doing something that you guys like. Don't forget to share the video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.